In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log your time from Jira using Tempo timesheets. If you rely on Jira for project management, keeping accurate time records is essential, and Tempo timesheets can make this task seamless. So let's dive into the process. First, you want to navigate to the Apps section within your Jira interface. You'll find this option in the main navigation panel. From there, proceed to Explore More Apps. This is where we'll locate the Timesheets by Tempo, which is available as a plugin in the Jira Marketplace. Once you've clicked Explore, you'll arrive at the Marketplace, which is essentially an app store specifically designed to enhance your Jira experience with various add-ons and plugins. In the search bar at the top, type in Timesheets by Tempo and press Enter. The Marketplace will then display the Timesheets by Tempo app among other related options. Click on it to open the app details page. Here you can read more about its features, check ratings, and see user reviews to understand how it fits within your workflow. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with what this app offers. Once you're ready, find and click the Install button. The installation is pretty straightforward and Jira will guide you through any additional steps if necessary. After a few moments, the installation will be complete and your new tool will be ready to go. Now that it's installed, you'll find the Timesheets by Tempo in the Apps section of your navigation panel. Go ahead and open it up. You'll see a user-friendly dashboard that allows you to easily log and manage your time. To begin logging time, click on the date or week for which you wish to enter time records. This is particularly useful if you need to log different entries across various dates or if you're backlogging entries. Upon selecting your desired time frame, the logwork window will appear. Here, you'll start by selecting the specific Jira issue you worked on. It's crucial for maintaining accurate records and generating reports later. Next, choose the date that corresponds to your work. This helps keep your entries organized and chronologically structured. Afterward, enter the total duration of work. You can specify this in hours and minutes. For example, 2.5 hours could be entered as 230 yimappers. In addition to duration, you might want to provide the start and end times of your work session. This detail can enhance accuracy, especially if you need to reference specific hours later on. Now, there's an optional section where you can add a description or tag certain work log attributes. This might include labeling hours as billable or non-billable, offering more context to both you and your team. Finally, once all the details are filled in, click on the Log Time button. Your hours are now officially recorded in Jira using Tempo timesheets, providing you with a structured and documented overview of your time allocation. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can ensure accurate time tracking within Jira, enhancing productivity and making project management more efficient. Thanks for joining in today, and I hope this tutorial was helpful.